Welcome back to Azra and Afra in Wonderland. Today we are going to make mango ice cream. It's so tasty and yummy. Now let's get cooking. One liter of milk, corn flour 3 tablespoons, water 5 tablespoons. Bring it to boil. 150 grams of sugar. Add the corn flour mixture and mix well. Off the flame when bubbles start to appear. Add a cup of mango. Add in the milk. Select sugary and sweet mangoes for rich taste. Grind it. Pour in an airtight container. After 3 hours, grind it again. This method is done to have perfect smooth texture. Grind well for 2 minutes. Now the ice cream is ready. Wow, it is looking so tasty and yummy. Don't forget to like, share, comments, subscribe, ring the bell for receiving notifications. Bye.